Gavana mar bengi maduong' ma pacho ka Laktar Kamau Thuge koro dwaro ni sekta mar bengi ochak tiyo kod yor lony manyasani mar mondo mi ober chenro mag bengi e pacho ka. Koloso e romo ma 23 manoywayo jokanyo mantiere bengi mawuok e pinje mag Afrika ma Ugwe e boma ma Diani e kaunti ma Kwale. Thuge wacho ni lony manyasani biro chwalo makare tije bengi kamoriwo chenro mag chiwo hola ne johelni matindo tindo.
These technologies are enabling financial institutions to strengthen credit underwriting, improve portfolio monitoring, and identify emerging risks more effectively. They are also enhancing customer experience by making financial services more accessible, convenient, and responsive.
I think there is significant investment in using AI in banks in the right way, whether it is in building algorithms and scoring models for credit, as well as improving operational processes, fraud detection, and is critical in this credit process.
We represent MSMEs that do not have a lending history, do not have savings, do not have even designated business solutions. So it becomes very difficult for you to just approach them and come up with the lending for them. So we need banks to come up with the products that are sustainable for them and are affordable.